Today is the worst day of my life. I officially bought some cell cams. Unfortunately for me, fortunately for you, we're gonna unbox them. Let's go. So I am 37 years old. I've hunted as long as I can remember. Basically grew up in the deer woods with my dad. And I love running trail cameras, especially in the off season. Love seeing who survived and sort of watching deer grow and mature from year to year. I have never bought or owned a cell cam. Never wanted it in my pocket. My addiction is strong enough. Cell cams have been around for over a decade now, but mass adoption has probably been in the last 5 years or so. And I've refused login access for a few years now from the guys on our property that run them. I did that for a number of reasons that don't really matter, but with this channel gaining traction and all we want to do to be able to show you the different scouting and, oh hey, that swivel on the antenna is pretty sweet. The different scouting and stuff from a picture standpoint, I figure it's time. My dad and I are headed to an SOA hunt next week, special opportunity area here in Alabama in upper state, and I want pictures and I want to be able to have that as a layer within the story of us hunting that property. And I at least want to be able to check them at night. So here I am, a humble old soul hunter asking for forgiveness for anyone that believes they should be outlawed. I have given in. For those of you that are out there fighting the good fight, hold the line. Don't give in like I did. You're strong enough to resist the urge and peer pressure. Be a good example for the youths. Good luck. There's a lot of different cell cams out there. I have no personal experience with cell cams outside of what my buddies use. So if you have a cell cam company that you prefer, let me know in the comments. These won't be the last ones that I buy. And I would love to know your opinion on it. I sort of feel like Optimus Prime and Transformers at the end of the movie. I am Optimus Prime, and I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. We are here. We are waiting.
I am Matt Wooten, and I send this message out to any old school trail cam users taking refuge among the woods. We are gone. We are watching deer from our phones.
The only spec I'm going to talk about with this camera is an 8 GB onboard storage. These are, to my knowledge, the first Tacticams that allow you to not have an SD card in, and I will never buy a cell cam without an SD card slot. I know of at least one company that makes them, but we have to pay for video downloads and HD photos in the app. But guess what? They're on the SD card. So while the convenience of having them sent to your phone is nice, I don't want my cameras to be slave to the network. So yes, that makes me old school maybe, but I do not want to have any type of camera without SD capability. All right, so now that we bought the camera and spent the money on it, we get to also spend money on it sending pictures to our phone. How cool is that? So let's set that up. Okay, so I had to go and log in on Reveal's website, add a payment method because I had never done it before. And then they allowed me to sign my life away to add this camera that I already paid for where it would send pictures to my phone. After we did that, we opened the Reveal app. We hit add your first camera. We had the plan selected. It'll bring up a nifty QR reader and boom, tells me to install batteries, which I already did. Tells me to install the SD card if I want to, which I will not be buying cell cams that don't have SD cards. So I did that, and then you set up the camera. I turned it to the on position and boom, it asked me to name the camera. And then for some reason it wants to know my postal code. So there you go, Reveal, you've got it. And then it asked me to add a location, which I did not want to do, but it wouldn't let me do it without it. So I told it to go away, and it accepted that, and we moved along in the process. No, I cannot spell. Deal with it. Hit continue, and we waited longer than we're gonna do in this video. So speed it up, and voila, your 3.0 is now set up and ready to monitor. I'll take it from here. I went to the settings of the camera and changed just a couple things. The first thing I changed was the camera mode. I changed it to pic plus video because I want to be able to get those videos off the SD card. The next thing I did was I checked the image size, which was already on 4K. Then I upgraded the video size from 720 to 1080. Then I added a burst feature. I wanted the 2-pic burst. and I want there to be a delay between the photos, so that if I do have a buck working a scrape, I want to see a couple pics of him. Then I added the delay to 30 seconds and went back and added the burst delay to the highest it can be, which is 2 seconds on that interval. And then I applied all my settings and we're good to go. We now have 4 Tactacam Reveal X 3.0 long name cameras set up, ready to go, headed to the special opportunity area to hunt, and I am so excited about it. Can't you tell? I'm just pumped to have these cell cams dinging in my pocket, bothering me at all times of the day so that I can see these deer and what they're up to when I'm not in the stand. Woo!